JKR അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ആദ്യം തന്നെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിലോ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എങ്കിലോ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം. കാരണം ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭ്യമാകുകയുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ കേരള PSC അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്, ജൂനിയർ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്, അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് മാനേജർ, സ്റ്റോർ കീപ്പർ ഈ തസ്തികകളിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ അപേക്ഷ സമർപ്പിച്ച ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കുണ്ട്. എല്ലാ ക്ലാസ്സുകളും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ചാനലിലൂടെ ലഭ്യമാണ്. ക്ലാസ്സുകളെല്ലാം തന്നെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. പുതുതായിട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ക്ലാസ്സുകളെല്ലാം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭ്യമാകുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് 50 ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് സെലക്ടഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. Dash expenses are excluded from cost. Dash expenses are excluded from cost. Abnormal expenses are excluded from cost. Other question. Such expenses which are included even though they are not incurred for taking managerial decisions are called dash. Notional expenses. Other question. Dash expenses are partly fixed and partly variable. Dash expenses are partly fixed and partly variable. Semi-variable expenses are partly fixed and partly variable. Other question. Unsuccessful research expenditure should be dash cost accounts. Unsuccessful research expenditure should be dash cost accounts. Excluded from cost accounts. Unsuccessful research expenditure should be excluded from cost accounts. Other question. Salary paid to general manager is an item of dash expenses. Salary paid to general manager is an item of fixed expenses. Other question. Fancy packing is an example of dash expenses. Fancy packing is an example of selling expenses. Fancy packing is an example of selling expenses. Other question. Telephone expense is dash expense. Telephone expense is a semi-variable expense. Telephone expense is a semi-variable expense. Other question. Primary packing is an item of dash. Primary packing is an item of prime cost. Primary packing is an item of prime cost. Other question. When factory overhead control account has an ending debit balance, factory overhead was dash. When factory overhead control account has an ending debit balance, factory overhead was underapplied. Other question. Underapplied or overapplied factory overhead should be appropriate among cost of goods sold and applicable to inventory. Apportioned among cost of goods sold and applicable to inventory. Other question. Credit and collection cost is an item of dash. Credit and collection cost is an item of selling overhead. Other question. Warehousing cost is an item of dash. Warehousing cost is an item of distribution overhead. Other question. In dash each job is a cost unit to which all costs are assigned. In job costing, each job is a cost unit to which all costs are assigned. Other question. Material costs of each job are determined from dash. Material costs of each job are determined from material requisition notes, bill of materials. Material requisition notes, bill of materials. Other question. Printers use dash costing. Printers use job costing. Other question. Each job has a dash prepared for it that bears the job number and which is used to collect all cost data relating to job. Job cost card. Each job has a job cost card prepared for it that bears the job number and which is used to collect all cost data relating to job. Other question. An automobile service unit uses dash costing. An automobile service unit uses job costing. Other question. Where the work is undertaken to customers special requirements and each order is of comparatively short duration, it is called dash costing. When the work is undertaken to customers special requirements and each order is of comparatively short duration, it is called job costing. Job costing. അടുത്ത question. Economic batch quantity is an important point to be determined in industries where dash costing is employed. Batch costing is employed. Batch costing is employed. അടുത്ത question. Economic batch quantity depends on dash and dash costs. Economic batch quantity depends on dash and dash costs. Setup cost carrying. Setup cost carrying. അടുത്ത question. The dash costing is applied when a quantity of similar and identical products are manufactured together as one job. The dash costing is applied when a quantity of similar and identical products are manufactured together as one job. Batch. The batch costing is applied when a quantity of similar and identical products are manufactured together as one job. അടുത്ത question. The loss incurred on an incomplete contract is transferred to dash account. The loss incurred on an incomplete contract is transferred to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. അടുത്ത question. Room/day is the cost unit used in dash. Hotels. Hotels. അടുത്ത question. Maintenance charges are in the nature of dash expenses. Maintenance charges are in the nature of semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable expenses. അടുത്ത question. In transport costing, dash charges vary more or less in direct proportion to kilometers run. Running charges in transport costing. Running charges vary more or less in a direct proportion to kilometers run. Another question. Dash is the first stage of computerized accounting system. Dash is the first stage of computerized accounting system. Transaction processing system. Transaction processing system. Another question. Tally, EX-Busy and professional accounts are dash. Tally, EX-Busy and professional accounts are ready-made software. Ready-made software. അടുത്ത question. Accounting software is used to perform the dash functions. Accounting software is used to perform the accounting functions. Accounting functions. അടുത്ത question. Filing the check under buyer's name is an example of dash. Filling the check under buyer's name is an example of storage. Storage. അടുത്ത question. Documents in accounting system are dash. Documents in accounting system are either paper based or electronic. Either paper based or electronic. അടുത്ത question. A typical accounting system comprises dash parts. A typical accounting system comprises 5.0 parts. 5.0 parts. അടുത്ത question. In an accounting information system, inputs often come in the form of dash. In an accounting information system, inputs often come in the form of source documents. Source documents. അടുത്ത question. Accounting information systems are designed to minimize cost. Accounting information systems are designed to minimize cost. അടുത്ത question. A company is formed by promoters. A company is formed by promoters. അടുത്ത question. The word limited should appear after the name of registered company. The word limited should appear after the name of registered company. അടുത്ത question. Deferred shares are generally issued to promoters. Deferred shares are generally issued to promoters. അടുത്ത question. Share premium is shown in the balance sheet as an liability. Share premium is shown in the balance sheet as an liability. അടുത്ത question. Debenture can be issued at discount, at premium, at par. At discount, at premium, at par. അടുത്ത question. The official signature of a company is called. The official signature of a company is called common seal. Common seal. അടുത്ത question. Organize the order of the process of final accounting. Organize the order of the process of final accounting. Journal, ledger, final accounts. Journal, ledger, final accounts. അടുത്ത question. A profit and loss appropriation account is made. A profit and loss appropriation account is made after the profit and loss account. After the profit and loss account. അടുത്ത question. A balance sheet of a company includes assets, liabilities and equity of stockholders. Assets, liabilities and equity of stockholders. അടുത്ത question. Sections dash to dash deals with the provision of final accounting. Section dash to dash deal with the provisions of final accounting. 209 to 220. 209 to 220. Other question. Final accounts are prepared on a dash. Final accounts are prepared on a differs from company to company. Differs from company to company. Other question. Nominal accounts are related to. Nominal accounts are related to expense plus income. Expense plus income. Other question. Closing stock is recorded in the balance sheet. Closing stock is recorded in the balance sheet. Other question. Prepaid expenses should appear in. Prepaid expenses should appear in assets. Prepaid expenses should appear in assets. Other question. The balance sheet also called the statement of financial position. Statement of financial position. Other question. Dividend is paid on. Dividend is paid on subscribed capital that is paid up. Subscribed capital that is paid up. Other question. Provision for provident fund comes under. Provision for provident fund comes under long term provision. Long term provision. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടമായി ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, പരമാവധി എല്ലാവരിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കും. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് നിർത്തട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.